Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, my pressed florals Be Happy box from the Happy Planner arrived, and I cannot wait to open this, okay? So I am going to be showing you each of the items that come in here, but check out this beautiful sticker here that says Seek Beauty in All Things. So I'm really excited to see all of the florals that it has in store. So since it is pretty easy for me to open this box, I'm just going to rip this right on open and then let you guys see what's in the inside. But if you already have seen an unboxing of this box, I do appreciate you guys sticking around and checking out my unboxing. So I'm really excited to actually get a glimpse of the sticker books in here, because I did see a flip through on the Happy Planner website, but it's nothing like seeing it in person. And that beautiful sticker there, you guys, that says Bloom with Grace is so cute. I love it. So one of the things I like to do, I like to preserve my tissue paper and the stickers. So what I like to do is when they package it, I love how they do that, where you can still be able to preserve the packaging. You can actually pull out the package from the side there, and it doesn't damage the tissue paper. Everything is intact. And so I do use some undo sticker remover to actually remove the sticker from my tissue paper. And I love to do that. So I just love this. So this is what we get, you guys. You get a few of these items, and I'm just going to show you them really quick. So you get this content card here that says, I want to feel as free as the flowers. Yes. And so in the inside, it does tell you all of what's inside of the Be Happy box. But here's what the back looks like if you want to check out the Be Happy box, if you're new to them. And so this is a pressed florals, and it says, in this box, you will find your favorite florals and stickers to dress up any occasion. Yes. So here for this. Oh, now this right here, you guys, this is probably one of the items that I really want to get a closer look at. All right, so this is the Build Your Own Sticker Book Storage. You guys know I love, and I have a plethora of Happy Planner sticker books. And so the fact that I get to create my own is amazing. So I'm really excited about this. Oh my goodness. So we're going to definitely open this up, because I really want to show you guys how this is going to work and all this fun stuff. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the instructions on the back, and the back of it, it does give you the instructions telling you what to do, and it does say that it will hold up to 50 sticker sheets. Oh my goodness, because normally the regular sticker books would only have 30 pages. This would hold 50 pages. Oh, okay, so this is, oh, these are actually stickers. I just thought it was like a little paper design. But it says create your own sticker pack. And this little mechanism here is what is all that makes up this sticker pack. So it has this little twist mechanism here. And then you have your little hole there. And so you're able to take a sticker book like this one right here. Maybe if you have a collection of the sticker books, you're able to already have those prefixed holes in there, and then slip your pages in there. Put that mechanism back on the top. Make sure it's secure like that. Well, maybe not like that, but you know what I'm talking about. Just put it on like so, and then you have your sticker book. Oh my goodness. So I do hope that they bring this back and maybe sell it individual, where you can buy different ones if you don't want to create your own. Because I know that there are some planner babes who are actually making these themselves. And I think that's amazing. But somebody like me who maybe not have the time to do so, this will be amazing just to have already done and prepared for me. And I can just go ahead and put them all together. All right, so next up are these coloring sticker sheets. I believe 10 sheets come in each of these, so a total of 20 sheets of coloring sticker sheets that we'll get. Some of them look alike, but they're a little bit different. So I'm just going to flip through these really quick so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I'm going to show you the first pack, and then I'm going to also flip through quickly the second pack. right, so those were 20 sheets of the coloring sticker sheets, and I like these because you're able to color these florals however you like, and you can also customize it to make it fit the color scheme in your planners. How amazing is that? And you can also use these sticker sheets to add to creating your own sticker book. Convenient, isn't it? All right, so now let's check out these value pack sticker books. I'm really excited because we're going to get 3 different type of floral sticker books, and I cannot wait to flip through them. These also include 30 sheets of each of the sticker books. This one right here is Beauty in Florals, and it has 444 pieces in here. And this one will give us the deep jewel tone vibes in here. And I'm just going to flip through them really quick because your girl is going to be doing a flip through. I probably will put this flip through on my Instagram as well. So if you want to check that out, check out my Instagram so you can see a full detailed page by page flip through of that. And I may also include it here on my channel. Next up is Pressed Florals. Pressed Florals is going to come with 519 pieces of pressed pastels and watercolor florals. Again, I'm just going to do a quick flip through, but you guys, I cannot wait to show you this page by page flip through. So make sure you are going to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Southern Tea Time. All right, and so last but not least, let's move on to the last sticker book, and this one is called Sophisticated Florals. This sticker book comes with subtle, minimalistic, and neutral florals, and it comes with 366 pieces. So I just love how they give us a variety of florals, not only for the fun and colorful, but also for those who have a subtle look to their planners and want to also create decorative stickers and functional stickers. So I do love this one as well. This one will also be on my Instagram as well because I will be doing a flip through for you guys. And I may also bring back my flip throughs to my YouTube channel for those of you who may not be on Instagram. All right, and so let me go ahead and show you the last item of this Be Happy box. This is actually the sticker book storage box. And I have actually a collection of these boxes as well for my sticker books. And I love them. So I am going to unbox this and show you how this all is coming together and how it works. But I love them. I have the black with the white polka dot in my craft room, and I just love it. Now, these sticker book storage actually holds about 21 value pack sticker books. And I just love this one because it has like that soft baby blue with that floral print on there. I don't know if you can see that. And then it also comes with these sticker sheet strips. And I like these because for some of my older sticker books, like this one, well, this one is one of the newer ones that have the name on the top of the top spine. But if you get one of the older sticker books, if you've been with Happy Planner for a while that do not have the name at the top, you can actually take those white strips and place them on the top of your sticker book, and you're able to label and name your sticker books. And I love this. I really, really do. And so if you're like me, I do like to see my sticker books just at a glance while they're in the sticker book storage. And so because they stand upright, it's easier to take a glance at them and see what sticker books you're actually going to pick up instead of just picking them up. But look at those cute little florals in there. Nice and subtle like. I like that. But this one actually does not go with my craft room decor, but I am going to still utilize it. Yes, I am. So what you just do is just kind of, you know, flex out the box a little bit and take that flap and flip it over. And then you're just going to take this little adhesive stripping off that would go ahead and expose the sticky part to it. And that sticky part is actually going to adhere to the box. Now, just a little planner tip. When you're putting this or assembling this box, what you want to do prior to adding any of the items in the box, allow about 24 hours for the adhesive tape to stick. So you want to apply, you know, a good firm pressure to it. So even though I already went ahead and stick it to it, what I'm going to do is kind of rub on it just a little bit, give it a little bit of pressure. And then in the inside, I'm just going to take my hand in the inside grooves and kind of press a little bit there, like I'm doing now. Just kind of putting a little pressure to both the inside and the outside of the box, making sure I make sure that the adhesive sticks. Because what would happen if you don't do it correctly, your box will not stick very well and it will come loose. All right, and so once your sticker book storage box is assembled, you can now place in your sticker books. I love how this looks, and I love the view because you're able to see your sticker book names at the top of the spine. I love that. And so this is all the items that came with this Be Happy box. You got your sticker book storage box. You have your coloring sticker sheets. You also are going to get some sticker books with all the florals that you can desire, and also your create your own sticker book, which I'm really excited about. So this is what all comes in this sticker book. This retailed at about $85, but you are able to get this if it is not sold out on the Happy Planner website for $49.99, and I just think it is an amazing price. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you would like to see more of the Be Happy boxes and more of the sticker book flip-throughs. And make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my sticker book flip-throughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.